previously on Adrien. I have zero voice and I'm trying to speak low. Previously on Adrian's No, God, I don't say my name like this. Wow, we'll do it again. Previously on Adrian's last episode of No, that's not how you properly say it. My fucking God, I can't do my intro properly. Previously on the last episode of Adrien Plays Pokemon Emerald, we are on our way to Fortree City, and we didn't do shit except for me and my whole party whiting out because I didn't want to go back to a Pokemon Center. And then we ended up in this complex that's being overtaken by the Team Aqua. The volume is a bit loud for me, but here we go. Hi, I mean, yo. I wasn't gonna go with a how's it going, guys? Fuck. But yeah, what our team? So we ended up in Fortree. I'll need to make you evolve, Goldfish. How? By having you fight. No easier way, is there? No, I don't mean like this. So now we're in Fortree. Let me just give it the experience share. Here it is. Just so, like, even if it's not in battle. Corphish was given the experience share to hold. Alright, let's go. Double battle. The Institute created a type of Pokemon that has, I guess it's named the Institute, but has something to do with the weather. We're here to take them. Don't tell me you're looking for what weather Pokemon do. That's a no-no. We're here. We were here to get it first. Great. Oh, we fit perfectly in that thing. Team Aqua Grunt and Team Aqua Grunt. They're so useless that they don't deserve a name. Godillo and Corphish. Yeah, you don't have good attacks. Bubble Beam. Bubble Beam, yeah. One kick was enough. Hit one time. One time. My back hurts. Ooh. Yesterday was the sneezing, and today my back is hurting. Noted. It just smells like death around here. So Zubat's speed fell. Gonna have to use overheat on this Corvana because there's no reduction. It's hard to hear me. I think it's because I'm talking real slow actually. I think you always have a problem with the volume. And I'm really not talking really loud, so it would make sense. This is a chill live stream, isn't it? Lo-fi, you put some EDM, some house music actually. Wow, Goldfish does get a lot more XP than Dio is. Double kick should do. Sup, bitch. Goldfish gain, yeah, good. Forgot at what level Goldfish actually evolves, but I just needed to get one dog type move. Actually, volume is quite low. Well, this is falling off. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? We're Team Aqua, we appear wherever anything rare is found. I don't have a joke for this. My bad. I am the joke for this. Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle. Team Aqua Grunt. So now Puchiena. But really, for real, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm being super... Is low the word I'm looking for? I'm no clue. No, we can take on that Zubat. With what, I'm not quite sure, but we can do something. Double kick that bitch. Flying bitch. Nope. That was clearly not enough, and I'll need definitely more than this. Critical hit. It's not very effective, but it still died, so if it's stupid but it works, it's not that stupid, is it? Carvanha. Yeah. Now is a good time to switch for Cars. So today I finished the script for the next video, so hopefully tomorrow I'm shooting it, and it's gonna be done by Friday, editing, and it's gonna be premiering on Saturday. Usual times, 4 on YouTube, 5 on Instagram, 6 on Facebook. I got that thing to a T. You got me. I did. Yeah, basic. Now, up to you. Ah ha 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 ha. You're going to meddle in Team Aqua's affairs. You're either absolutely fearless, simply ignorant, or both. I'm a bit of both. You're so cute. I know. You're disgusting. Okay. I'll put you down, kitty. Says that your stream is scheduled at 8:30, but you started early anyways. I was like, it's already set up. It's like for 8:30. The time frame is 8:30 every day. But for example, yesterday I was eating late, so it had to be moved to 9. And today, it's because I was already in front of my laptop and I was like, oh, why am I going to wait for this? Don't you want to have more? I'm still going to try to wrap it within 1 hour. Yesterday, I think it was within 1 hour. I'm not quite sure. But I think yesterday we managed, because we didn't do shit actually yesterday. They need to move to make room for knockoff. Well, it's a dog type move, but it's not the dog type move I'm looking for, is it? Mighty Yena. Can take it on. Oh, Mike Yena has Intimidate cut. Did cut Dio's attack. But, yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's not gonna be enough though. Whoa! But Manina did hold on. Oh my god. Swagger. It will drastically, well, sharply rise my attack. Increase my attack rather. But also makes me confused. So... yes. That's what happens when you love your Pokemon to death. Even confused, you can do a job for you. Player defeated Aqua Admin Shelly. You're disgustingly strong. Thank you. Usually people don't add strong. It's bad enough to have Team Magma blunder about, but now there's you. What makes you want to sniff around our business anyway? We have, oh yeah, and I just move on like this. I just get pushed to the side. We have a situation here. Team Magma Bob just paused the Web Institute. They appear to be headed for Mount Pyre. I'm not gonna say anything you send in the chat aloud anymore. Nothing. What? We can't waste any more time here. We have to hurry to Mount Pyre. To Team Magma, just you wait. Thanks to you are saved. It might be an odd way of thanking you, but take this Pokemon. As received, Cast form. Do you want to give a nickname? No, I'm not gonna use it ever. Was transferred to the PC. That Pokemon changes shape according to the weather conditions. There are plenty of them in the Institute. Go ahead and take it. Alright. So if Team Aqua just asked politely, they might have got one? Is that it? I think that's it. There's a bed, let's take a rest. Abed. What's my team again? Alright. I wish HMs didn't exist, so you could actually make your team stronger. Why am I bumping into everything like this? Am I drunk? I wouldn't, because that would be haram of me. Hi ads, hello, this is Ethan. I saw this number a while back, but I couldn't catch it. It was so close too. Well, see you again. I felt like I read that before, but... Ooh, here's my girlfriend. I mean... No. Ads, where were you? I was looking for you. How much stronger have you gotten? Let me check for you. Ready with your Pokemon? Well, actually, I think we're boyfriend and girlfriend. We are sorted. Ready with your Pokemon? Of course you are. Go! This is not Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is trash. Pokemon Trainer May would like to send our Lombre. I don't have a hard counter for you, Lombre. I just hope that you... Please don't flinch. Yes, Malak. Please don't use Water Gun now. Or use Flinch, maybe. Not Flinch. What was it that you used? Nature Power turned into Swift. You could just have had Swift. Every time I'm seeing a Pokemon using Nature Power, it's becoming Swift. So... Ford Ombre, Fainted, Cowfish, Marsh Dump. Yes, I will have to change, because I'm not about to be able to take on a Marsh Dump with a Fire Pokemon. Pokemon Trainer Mace and now Marsh Dump. I don't know why I have to read that part, because you already knew she was sending that. Not that, it's Marsh Dump. It's the most precious Pokemon. Looks a bit odd though. She's about to send Slugmatic, so I'm gonna switch for Diavolo. Just so I can kill it with one Surf. Or, yeah, Surf. I think Mediwater is a bit stronger. She only has 3 Pokemon at bat. Well, actually, in that game, she's a researcher, so you can't really blame her. She's just like strong enough for you to be at level, so you can take on the next gym. But she's not really a rival. She's not trying to be a Pokemon master. She's trying to be a researcher. Acha! I'd see you strong. I was worried that you might be struggling with your training. See? She's just here to make sure you're properly leveled. But I had absolutely nothing to worry about. Keep it up. And here I have a present for you. Obtain the HM02, which is... Let's put with HM02. Use Fly and your Pokemon will instantly carry you to any town you've already visited. But to use Fly, you have to get a gym badge from Fortree City. That's important, so don't forget. You should fly home and visit Littlewood for a change. I bet your mom's worried about you. Well, let's meet again somewhere. Ooh, here my man's code. Ha ha ha, way to go, lads. I just passed by a trainer riding a bike. You just beat that trainer, didn't you? Like, I beat up everybody I see. It was pretty obvious what you did. The kid looked really upset with a face all red from anger. I sure seem to run into you often. Are you off to Fortree Gym next? I expect that you'll do well at the gym. Well, I'll be seeing you. This is a Mood Chad voice I can pull up. Ooh, directly into the double battle. Hit me with a power chord. Victory is mine. It's our time to shine. Whoa, yeah, it doesn't rhyme. To lurk in shadows and live in darkness. That is my destiny. Jesse, James, Team Rocket, and Meowth. Wow, perfect. I've watched way too much Pokemon. Ooh, bad matchup. We're gonna have you use Fire on this Besh, and you just switch, because you're not gonna be able to do much against Manectric. Even at level 26, Manectric is pretty good. The Mega Evolution looks like trash though. It doesn't affect Diavolo. Ha! Besh! You've been hit by a fire Pokemon. Dun, 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 dun. Jesus, being confined is doing wonders to me, isn't it? Muddy Water. Ah, it's not a ground type move though. It's a ground-ish type. Oh, alright, it was fine. My memes on Instagram are getting pretty good. Thank you, but I don't know. I feel like I don't have that thirst, that hunger for memes anymore. I just want to focus on, I don't know what I want to focus on doing. Still being alive. Ooh, that tree look odd. That is a tree. To hide a tree, use a forest. Knowledge. Ninja Boy Hideo Kojima. So now coughing, but coughing. I don't have anything that's super effective. Yeah, that's less than blah 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 English. That's less than effective. I love it when we do that. Oh, I'm still alive. Wow. Whatever, I'm gonna have to switch now. Coughing again. I'm gonna just switch for Diavolo because he can tank that type of bullshit. I've got a fan, a follower on Facebook whose name is Johnny Sins. Since what? Ta-ta-ta-dum. Ta-ta-dun, 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 ta-ta-dun. I do the singing to stall you when I'm using my phone. I'm dickish. Nobody registered me here. It's odd. There is something you need to do here before you can go to the gym, if I recall right. So for today, the goal is to defeat the Fortree gym leader. Shouldn't be too big of an ask. I love Fortree, it's a nice town. And when you walk on these, it does make a sound noise. Something unseeable is in the way, so do you know thou? That's a really old and bad meme. Let's fight, lady. Why am I carrying this parasol? I'll tell you if you can win against me. Good luck on from doing well. Parasol Lady Clarissa and now Roselia. Does Combusken actually learn Flamethrower? I guess. They learn but way too late. Like level 55 or something. But I think Blaziken does learn Sky Uppercut, which is a fantastic move. I wish I got a more recent version of Pokemon to play, so official one of course, so I could see what Sky Uppercut looks like. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I just feel very high for absolutely no reason. Except for drugs. And it seems like the Wi-Fi is bad today. Super effective. Wilmer was lashed. I don't remember what I have to do, but I know I have to do something. So why did you need that parasol? Ooh, here are my buddies. Gabby, oh, your ads, hi, do you remember us from last time? Can you show us how much stronger you become? Okay, cue interview. It's fine, they're fine, at least it's not like Fox News, so they're alright. Decent. I'll have to kill that Magneton as fast as possible. So overheat it is for you, and bubble beam for you. Shh, no, okay. That should be death. See? And Magneton doesn't even have a sex, unlike Loudred, see? That's because he's a virgin. I will deserve it when I get Corona. Good restart to you, Jamie. Gabby, that was an intense English battle. Did you get all that on camera? I hope so. I'm not gonna do it again. Dog. Remember that's a quote you gave us at the battle clincher last time. Dog. I never ever forget stuff like that. Anyway, what do you think? Do you want to be interviewed again? Sure. You will. Thank you. Okay. I need you to describe your feelings about our battle, but it has to be short and sweet. Go. Pokemon, go. No, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use people this time. Dude. Bruh. That's a dude moment. Bruh. Yeah, that's a perfect clincher. I get the feeling that this will make a great TV show. There's a chance that they'll air this on TV, so make sure to look for us. Okay? We'll be seeing you. Thank you, Gabby. Now let me fight more serious trainers. My Pokemon is strong. How about yours? That's one way to ask about a battle. Birdkeeper Robert would like to battle. Birdkeeper Robert would send out Swablu. Again, I don't have anything that can really... So I'm gonna try to... I didn't even pay attention if he's got more than one Pokemon. Hopefully he doesn't. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have, like, Tropius. Wow. Maybe if I didn't give that experience share to Coldfish, Dio would already be level 36, and thus a Blaziken. You can be counted on to get better. I'd like to register you in my Pokénav. Please do, my buddy. Hey, Stephen. What games I consider playing? It would definitely be single-player games. Ads, hi, it's been a while. There's something here that you can't see, right? Now, if I were to use this device on the invisible obstacle... No, rather than describing it, I should just show you. What would be more fun? Ads, are your Pokemon ready for battle? They always are. Ads, show me your true power as a trainer. I'm gonna be the champion anyway, right? Stephen used the Even Scope. An invisible Pokemon became completely visible. The startled Pokemon attacked. Well, I don't have anything in mind. I could try God of War all over again. Although I had a cousin who borrowed it from me, so the disc is with him, and me going and picking that up might not be the best of times right now. So I don't know. Color change made it fight type, which is enough to withstand this kick. Great. I hate these moves that, well, I'm saying that after using double kick, but I do hate these moves that hit more than 2 times. They keep going and going, it's like up to 5 times, you never know when it's gonna end. You think you survive? Aha! Steven, I see your battle style is intriguing. Your Pokemon have obviously grown since I first met you in Dewford. I'd like you to have this Diven Scope. Who knows, there may be other concealed Pokemon. Obtain the Diven Scope. I have some games for the PS4 that I haven't even started, but I don't know. Yakuza maybe, it's a crazy ass game. I enjoy seeing Pokemon and trainers who strive together. I think you're doing great. Well, let's meet again somewhere. Alright. Let's fight people a bit until we can evolve. In Pokemon, I know that this patch of water that you see over there is where you get the Mudkips. Do you have any moves that can strike a flying Pokemon? Everything that's not ground is fine, buddy. Mudkeeper Conan would like to battle. Senos, Wingull, I can take it. I hope as soon as Combusken becomes Blaziken, it learns another fire type move, because I can't with just Ember and Overheat that I had to use a TM to actually get to use. Oof. It sounded bad and it was fine. I don't know what other games I could play. Maybe I'm just gonna turn into a commentary channel, do live streams, mocking stuff. Finally, grew to level 36. Coldfish gain 192. Natu is that little bird, right? That psychic little bird thing. Sorry. I'm always tired. Maybe because I go to sleep very late. Muddy water should be fine. And it was fine. Player defeated, but keeper caught him. He soared above me. I did. What? Dio is evolving? Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 da, 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 dun. Please learn. Yes, trying to learn Blaze Kick. Ah, I can work with that. Delete a move to make room for Blaze Kick. Yes, of course. You have. It's 85. I'm gonna take out Double Kick. It's been with me for a long while, but I think it's time we parted ways. Dio learn Blaze Kick. Two double battles. We ninja conceal ourselves under our camouflage cloaks. I bet you didn't know where I was. Didn't at all. You know, if you want to hide a tree, put it in the forest. Knowledge. If you don't pay attention, you could get hurt. Wow, sounded like a mafia boss. It's pretty fucking odd. Battle Girl Kali and Ninja Boy didn't pay attention to your name. Sorry, bruv. Go to you and Codfish. So, I'm gonna test out my Blaze Kick on the Ninkada. And Bubble Beam will go to Meditite. Meditite, the meditation Pokemon. It was hard to find that one. Coughing, my worst enemy. Meditite used Calm Mind. Everything rose. Yeah, we got it. Ooh. Since everything rose, should be fine if we did that actually. Blaze Kick. Yes, it was fine.
What's the notion?
Sorry. I have to stop opening porn when I'm on stream. That's my bad. Meditite fainted. Codfish gained 409 experience points. Now it's the turn of Makuhita. Makuhita, the sumo Pokemon. It's your boy, Skinny Penis, back in the chat. That's a Kodiko and Noel Miller joke. Ouch, I was the one to get hurt. Yeah, you shouldn't have threatened me like this, little bitch. Pokemon have many special abilities if you want to become a first-class trainer. Learn about them. Yeah, that sentence was read without any comma or any spacing. Cool trainer Jennifer would like to send, well, would like, as if she's not allowed to. Go Dio. So, Blaze Kick is fire and physical. Will it connect? It should. Another move I never let my Pokemon use, because it's for the weak. Evading is for the weak. A real G-boy takes it head on. Oh my god, twice in a row and it works. Please. Yes. And only does half of your health. Great. Means that I should be a bit more prepared for what's to come. Blaze kick. Pretty sure Blaziken says it like this. Yeah, Blaziken talks. Speaks, rather. You're obviously thinking about what? Women. Always cryptic as fuck. Your pot Pokemon, do you have different types? Yeah, because I'm not a pleb. The Pokemon in my Parasol, if any one of them is missing, the picture of beauty will be ruined. Cool Trainer Lionel and Parasol Lady Angelica want to battle. Again, Cast Form will turn into a water type because of a rain, and Manectric, well, how do we do this? Can do better than you, sure, but I'll have to switch here. Or won't I? Vice Grip, whatever move I never use. He's my friendly Pokemon. Baldi? Huh? What? Shit. Should I switch? Oh, it's your friendly Pokemon streamer, Baldi. I just read is. I'm a bit of a dummy dumb, ain't I? It's super effective. Wow. Please don't tell me it's gonna fucking knew it. Manectric should be nerfed into the ground. Rain continues to fall. Just gonna use cut anyway. Quick attack will land faster. Is she taking? Are you taking the piss, lad? Can't fucking believe it. After this, we're rushing to the Lost Pokemon Center. Thunder is a fantastic move. I don't know if it's got more chances to crit when it's raining, but it did. Take that bitch down. Be done. Rip and tear until it's done. And even that missed. Perfect for streaming today. Lovely having you with me, all of you. Diavolo gained. Diavolo is now to level 40. Okay, now I don't remember what is in the 4-tree gym, but we'll just have to kill it. Stop being that intense, Adaya. Wow, weather, it's already stopped raining here. Do you think people in 4-tree take baths? I feel like they're all vegan or something here. Why would you live in a tree? It must be full of bugs. Thank you for waiting. The thing with my voice is that at some point I just don't have any left. Like right now I don't have any voice anymore, and you can tell. Something unseeable is in the way. Want to use the Devon scope? Of course. I wish I could see my whole life in the with a Devon scope. Okay. Cha boy. Skinny penis. Here's my man, my G-man. Yo, how's it going? Champion bound ads. Fortune gym leader Winona is a master of flying type Pokemon. She's waiting at the back of the gym behind the rotating doors. She's waiting for new challengers who are trying to take wing. Okay, go for it. My man. Oh my god. When Winona takes to battle, her face shines with beautiful determination. I'm not letting you witness that lovely sight. Wow. What a fucking simp. Do you call her my queen or something? What are you gonna send? It's called Mori. Some good fucking chicken. Blaze kick. And you're dead. It was ya boy, Skinny Penis. One sim down, 3 or 4 more to go. Ugh, I couldn't stop you. I wish I could have done a that's what she said joke, but that would be kind of rapey. It's Corona time. Corona. Behold the elegant battle style of bird Pokemon. Winona taught me personally, you can't beat me easily. Well, if I beat you, I hope at least she's a bit better than you. Jared and Ashley want to send out Doduo and Swablu. Interesting. I think Doduo is a normal type of just flying. Normal plus flying or just flying. Well, Swablu tried, obviously. Vinegar Ashley sent out Swablu. For Doduo sent out, no, use Pursuit. Again, somebody who had 2 of the same Pokemon. Please, dude who sent out that Doduo, have something different. Blaze Kick! I don't know why I'm yelling Blaze Kick, but I just feel like so hype. Please, don't have another... It's fine, I'm not enraged. Level 30. Sana Skarmory. Okay, I'll have to switch targets then. No, actually not. Because it's gonna directly go to Swablu, it seems. Yep. That's a lot of XP rather, sorry. My Bubble Beam's gonna be useless now, isn't it? But Swablu's attack missed, so... winning! Yeah, that didn't do much. That's a Yags from me, bruh. Dio used Blaze Kick! And it killed Tropius, yes. But if Winona has a Tropius, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna faint from just a Blaze Kick. Oh my god. Please, not on both Pokemon. Please wake up. Please wake up. If that move can flinch me, why can't it wake me up? It smells like rain. Still asleep. Beautiful. But you should be dead. As a long Swablu from a team of 3. So Swablu fainted. And we got a bit of XP. It's not much, but that's honest work. Should I let it evolve? Nope. Because it won't. It will get crunch way later if I let it evolve now. I have to check when it gets crunch. then... Okay, what do I do here? What do I do here? I get it. You do this. No. Oh, actually, yeah. If it works, it's not stupid. There's no need for winning our gym leader to deal with you. I'm plenty good enough for you. All lovers of bird Pokemon aspire to join our gym. As a member of a Fortress gym, I'm not allowed to lose. Well, seems like your membership will be revoked very soon. Do you think we'll be able to beat that gym within the hour mark? Go, do you want goldfish? Blaze kick. No, no vice grip. Bubble beam. I forgot he's fucking asleep. No. Okay, but don't freeze. Okay. I think when you're already afflicted with one status effect, you can't have more than one. Please wake up. You didn't suffer any damage. Why would you? Yes. Blaze kick. One hit KO. Xatu. I love a pattern on his belly. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna kill it. I'm gonna attack you because I feel like you hit faster than Xatu. You gain 148, Goldfish gain 445 and went to level. Oh, I'm gonna have to click to cancel the evolution for a bit now. Great. Ooh, our defenses were lowered. But you're gonna die. I hope. My. Anyway, I'll have to use overheat on you, because... Pussy ass move. Kill it. How dare it. Put you into red health. Knock off. Oof, thankfully it failed. Please die. Not that bad. Close to dying, right? Please, Goldfish, finish that bitch. I should have just used anything else. Quick attack will do. Yeah. Quick attack. Quick attack did it. Camp of Flynn and Birdkeeper at Wardo were defeated. We and I lost. You did. Simp. It was too much of a load for me to bear. Okay. Didididin. I forgot I can't let you evolve now. Mashing B. Yeah, yes. Can we just skip that? Because I'm mashing B. Huh? Goldfish stopped evolving? Don't know why. So odd. Kind of a bad keeper. You'd better know that there are all sorts of flying type Pokemon. You do know that, right? Birdkeeper Darius would like to battle. He sent out Tropius. Again, I didn't check if that's his only Pokemon, but actually Blaze Kick should be enough. If it connects, of course. Blaze Kick. Twice? I didn't know there was a stat for evasiveness. Does that make sense? You grew to level 37. You seem to know your stuff. I do. I've been Pokemon champion for like 10 times. Wait, forgot what you do with this one? No, clearly not. Wait, I think I remember. Need a this. I need a this. Anyway, I'm gonna have to go to the Pokemon Center. You do this, and then you're here. See? I am running out of PP. I'm all out of PP. That's what she told me. Who is she? She could be anyone. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. You're a story type Pokemon. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Okay, I'll take a Pokemon if you feel clearly tired and just want to wrap up this next gym, don't I don't remember the Pokemon Renona has, so it might not be only one battle. I'm hoping I can wrap it up pretty fast though. Did someone dislike the video? Aww. But for real, who the fuck disliked? Like, did I say something? Did I make a gay joke that people didn't like? That would be weird because my gay jokes are around me. It's alright. People are allowed to dislike. They're up to their opinion, to their wrong opinion, but still, their opinion. I am Winona. I am the leader of the Fortune Pokemon Gym. I have become one with bird Pokemon and have soared the skies. However, grueling the battle, we have triumphed with grace. Witness the elegant choreography of bird Pokemon and I. It finally did not reply to their... Yes, someone I ignored with that clearly... Well, if they're fun, they shouldn't clearly see where I'm doing my life, so they didn't have to track me down. That wasn't that hard to track me down. That's what I want to say. Blaze kick! Good. What's going on? Started out nice. Let's hope for the best. Skarmory. I'm scared for what's coming after Skarmory. Blaze kick. And a spam Blaze kick to the death. Oh, Skarmory fainted. Tropius. Guess which move I'm gonna use? Before Blaze kick, quick attack, of course. I know it's not you, le you. But Blaze kick worked again. Corphish grew to level 32. Can you learn it? Don't. No, I don't need that. Taunt the into only using attack moves. No. Did not learn Taunt, cause it's not useful. Wait, what is she sending? Read. Shit. We're gonna have to go with it. Pelipper. Ah, shit. See, when you can't read for shit, you're bound to fail in life. For Pelipper, use Protect, but there was nothing to protect against. Bitch ass. Gonna shut the fuck up. My Leaf Blade did connect and it should be a crit. And it was. Now, Altaria. Let's risk it. Because flying is good against grass anyway, so let's risk it. I have seen the rendered PS5 controller. It's different, you know, you get used to the black one. But I like it. It's thick. It's hella thick though. And a lot of people are saying it looks like the Xbox controller. I mean, it's just thicker. I don't know how much you can say it looks like the Xbox controller. I like it. It's different. So I'm saying that and I'm thinking the next PS5 you love fake controllers. But XPS5 is definitely gonna. Oh shit! It's Speed Rose. Shit! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! It was a crit. So please, Diavolo, you can do it. The defense is pretty high. This is the same because of the size and it's white. I'm pretty sure that yeah, the next PS5 is gonna be white, which is a bummer for me. So that's gonna be the first time they're gonna make the official first edition of the the PlayStation, not black or blue, bluish or grey. The first one was grey, right? But I'm up for it. Sony is taking risks, and I'm behind them. Because a lot of people are saying that the Xbox is going to be more powerful. Fine, sure. Like, I think every Sony fanboy has the same argument. It can be as powerful as you want it to be, but what are you going to play on this? All that matters is that. What are you going to play on this console? And I'm pretty sure Naughty Dog is going to make more games for it. I'm also pretty sure that I'm gonna get the next God of War. The next God of War is gonna happen. I'm gonna revive Dio just so we don't have to make 2 trips to visit. And we might end up on time today. For Altaria's Attack Rose. Speed 2. Shit! Dragon Dance. My god, how strong you want to be. At least you're not raising your defense. Accuracy fell. That's a good thing. I feel like we're gonna I feel like we use this revive for nothing. For Altaria's Attack Rose, for Altaria's Speed Rose, but yes, we was gonna use that thing anyway. So. If Muddy Water can make the accuracy of Altaria fall up a bit more, yeah. But it missed. Oh, bummer. But if only one of these earthquakes connects, it's gonna be overkill. Ooh, IAL race. Wow. Again, I don't think the accuracy can go lower now. Let's try something risky then. Very risky. Take that bitch down. Earthquake missed. Ooh! The recoil is not gonna kill me. It's fine. Goldfish gain 664. Yellow gain 331. That's fine. Can work with that. Never before have I seen a trainer command Pokemon with more grace than I. In recognition of your prowess, I present to you this gym badge. And also got 300,000 what race? The Aryan. Aryan? I don't know how you say it. I never met Hitler. Aryan race, I guess. Dun dun dun. Hub 4 Goldfish stop evolving. Has received a feather badge from Winona Badge. With a feather badge, all Pokemon up to level 70, even those received through trades, will obey your very command. You will also be able to use the HM move Fly outside of battle. And this is a gift from me. Obtain a TM40, what is it? Swords Dance? Put it with a TM40 and it contains Aerial Ace. Its speed, the Pokemon should be able to avoid it. That's why it was the one that connected earlier. And we registered. She's flirting with me, isn't she? Taking the number of a 10-year-old and stuff. I don't have a flying type Pokemon in my party, right? Beep! Hiya, ads, it's me. Just about 4, you one of the 4 treats. How do you know that, Scott? The strength, perhaps. You really are the trainer that I've been searching for. Remember, you have a fan in me. You have a friend in me. I've been cheering from the sidelines. Keep up the great work. Click. Okay, you don't have to do the click in Scott's voice, do you, Adaya? Now I'm talking to myself at the third person. Great. We have 5 more minutes, so we're gonna just keep on going down towards the next city. See, for once I accomplished what I said I would within 1 hour. 5 minutes to spare and I didn't even faint in that gym. Thank you for waiting. We've restored your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. Your business is appreciated, but I'm not paying. It is still appreciated. So yeah, this pond over there is where you get Mudkip in Pokemon. I understand why you call us retards, who's not packing up retards, and that was a joke. If you do have to say that it was a joke, it kind of ruins the joke. A good joke is never explained. Think about it. Think about me, I've got a terrible sense of humor, but I never say sorry, do I? Okay, please send out. How's your physical fitness? If you're not fit, you could have a rough time in critical situations. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Why is this in my head? Why is my thought process that bad? Actually, you're right, it's too late to say sorry after all the bad jokes I've done. You just have to live with it, I guess. Lombre. Yeah, you shouldn't expect that my Blaze Kick would kill a Lombre. It's still water type. Rain continues to fall. So, oh my god. Lumore, this was a bad joke. I'm gonna be honest with you. This was a bad joke. Justin Bieber jokes. Yikes. In 2020, and you're too young to be able to make Justin Bieber jokes. I can, because I'm older than... Am I older than him? How old is he? Oh my god. I'm about his age. Shit, I didn't see which Pokemon is coming up next. Justin Bieber jokes. Oh, dead. They're dead. They're just dead. He is problematic though. Justin Bieber is a crazy... Well, he's just white, I guess. White people are just crazy. He's so fucking weird. It's not a joke. Wow, that's an interesting fact. The more you know. Dun 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 dun. There's something blocking the way. It is a Pokemon. An invisible Pokemon becomes... It attacked. The guile. The gill. Of the thing. Are you fucking with me, man? It is raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining, raining. But I just run off from this fight because I don't want it. Dun, dun, dun. I'll check your Pokemon and see if they're fit for the outdoors. Nice of you. Still weird, but nice. Pokemon Ranger Lorenzo. Send out Seedot. Would have been another good candidate for my dog Pokemon. I wanted dog Pokemon. Wow. Get Out 2018. Was Get Out in 2018 or 2018? Yep. 18? Yeah, I think so. You know I got a perfect memory, that's why I can remember stuff like that. It's got 3 Pokemon, so let's see. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a shift tree though. And we've reached the hour mark. So after this fight, I'll have to bid you farewell. Check it, he's number 7. I'm not gonna go check a list of 50 most popular women. This list should not exist. List they are to rank my jokes. Or my dick pics. Lumber. I'm gonna use a overheat, so and overheat, just so we are done with this. And on this note, he used a fake out, so I'm gonna flinch. And I was trying to end up this live, and it's gonna take 1 more minute. Fantastic, thank you, Lombre. You can suck it. And now it's missing. To use Swift. You know, when you use Nature Power, it's wasting my time until you use Swift, and I get my turn, and I actually faint you. Bye, bitch. So, that was it for today's live stream. Thank you again for keeping me company. Again, stay safe. I heard that Ricardo's Fast Food are doing delivery now, and I'm heavily tempted. Next time we meet, it's gonna be a meme review. Next time you meet, it's not gonna be a meme review. Next time we meet, it's gonna be for another live tomorrow, because the next video is gonna be on Saturday. It's gonna be named How You Doing. You'll get it when it starts playing. You'll get it. But again, stay safe. I'm very tempted to go buy stuff. Not go and buy stuff, to order stuff from Cordo. Okay, I was scared because I saw the rain stop moving. I was like, this crash. But that was all for me today. Again, I'm saying it for like the 3rd time. Stay safe. Take care of yourself and the ones you love. And I don't know. What do I usually say when I end these things? Something simple, something nice. Bye bye.